gonna get you cleaned up. It's gonna be okay. You're gonna be okay. We got him in the van, and he already seemed so traumatized and hopeless.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
This woman reached out and said, this farmer's gonna put down the sick calf, and so we drove right up there. I was singing and talking to him, and his whole face changed just from being talked to sweetly, and that was so powerful. As we drive out, we took one look at him, literally calling to make his emergency appointment at the hospital.
Hey, bud.
Your vaccine, that's okay. We do that. Okay, the dewormers.
It was heartbreaking. The first few weeks, we didn't even get to touch him because he was so sick. Despite all the love that they were giving him, he's alone and he was depressed. 4 out of his first 5 months of life, he was in the hospital. We would video him.
Hi, Jude. Good boy, Jude. We love you.
They let us go down to see him. He really took comfort in that. You could tell, and he was really happy that we were there. He had something to live for. Finally, his progress of health was so good.
There he is. What a good boy, Jude. Run away home, buddy.
When we first brought him back here to the sanctuary, he just wanted to be adored.
Look at that cute boy.
Because of his life, he's been so attuned to just people. He really didn't know how to socialize with other animals. And now you can really see him starting to take an interest. He has a friendship with Barbara, the chicken. Barbara and Jude were both recovering. Barb fell off a slaughter truck. All they knew was snuggling together and breathing together and getting through a night under a heat lamp together.
Won't you sit by me? Come tell me about your dreams. Rainbows in the sky. Now spread your wings out and fly. 'Cause I want you safe.
He's doing so much better, and it's because of those connections. He's emerged, and I really believe he's going to continue to emerge and grow and just find more and more joy and connection and love in his life.